Moffett Field, they have stuff that if they're going to launch something, they send out a signal that makes anything RC fall out of the sky. But it sucks for people flying. Hold on, let me get over.
China cleared.
Take it up!
Of course, the wind picks up just as we take off.
Just as we're taking off, the wind is like,
Poof!
it's time to pick up.
Jesus. Yeah, there was like it was a rotor or something. I gotta pick up speed. There we go. It was like a tornado that came through. Gotta get some speed and use my momentum. Some altitude, there we go. Ready for a pass? Go.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh yeah, Ray's way faster.
Great, it's fast, sure.
Once this thing gets on step, it moves.
Maybe faster than Keon. What do you think?
Going up.
I thought Frank would have the advantage because he has 1070.
Yeah, they're the somewhat more sedate 70. That thing's moving good though, Frank.
That's full throttle.
Let's do some actual combat here. There we go. Now I'm on you.
Time remaining 1 minute.
But in real life, I think the F-22 has...
No, I think avionics is the only thing different. Woo! That was low.
30 seconds.
Okay. Okay.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Yes, me too. Like now. Sheesh.
I mean, you guys are ripping the hell out of it. Man, you land that thing fast. Ooh. There you go, Ray.
Yeah,
That could have been better, but it's alright. Sheesh. What the hell's that, Mike? Mine should be okay. I was coasting a lot. 138 degrees. Sheesh.
What's 138? Yes.
His battery.
battery.
I'm sure the ESC is hotter. That thing's bigger than this.
Oh no wait, it's 138 Fahrenheit.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the only thing that it has.
Not Celsius.
No, I'm just like, fuck, Celsius. The turbine
Be
temperature.
melting through stuff. That was cool.
That's awesome.
That was some
Alright, texting it.
I like the chasing each other thing.
Yeah.
That's better. That was